Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2014 Audi A6 3.0T Premium Plus that we have for sale. This one is a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to see. It's been serviced and checked by our techs, reconditioned, and it's ready for a new home. If you're looking for a mid-size luxury car with sporty performance and all-wheel drive traction, this A6 is a great choice. A lot of vehicle at this price point, beautiful interior. Audi has always been praised by the automotive press for its beautifully crafted and designed interiors. It's that typical German understated luxury look. Nice clean lines, beautiful wood trim throughout. This one has heated front seats as well as power front seats. Great infotainment system. You have a lot of buttons and stuff that you need to get used to, but once you get it all figured out, it's very intuitive and everything is right at hand's reach. Keyless ignition with push button start, electronic parking brake, dual zone auto climate control, navigation, rear parking camera, front rear parking sensors, and the nice thing is that the screen stores into the dashboard when you don't want to look at it. Some people actually get kind of annoyed when they're not using the screen. It can be a distraction. Even when you have the screen completely blacked out and dimmed all the way, it still puts off light. So being able to store it completely in the dashboard, that really helps with driver fatigue and distractions. 43,523 miles at the time of making this video. Bose sound system, blind spot alert, and of course Audi's amazing Quattro all-wheel drive system. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. If you drive in the snow, you're definitely going to want all-wheel drive. A lot better than front-wheel drive, which is the standard configuration on the A6. Lots of trunk space. When you move up to the mid-size luxury sedan, you definitely get a lot better cargo space and interior space, especially in the back seats. So that's something to consider for maybe considering some smaller vehicles like the A4 or the BMW 3 Series. Definitely nice amount of space moving up to the A6, especially if you're taller. I'm 6'2". I'm definitely a lot more comfortable in the mid-size vehicles versus the compact ones. Audi's fantastic 3.0T supercharged V6 makes 310 horsepower. Audi utilizes superchargers instead of turbochargers, and the advantage of a supercharger is that it's belt driven, so it produces that extra horsepower right off the bat, where turbos work off the exhaust gas, so you have to build up exhaust pressure to get those turbos to spool up and make that extra horsepower, so you have turbo lag. So you get a little bit better power delivery with a supercharged engine versus a turbocharged, but you also get to keep the engine size smaller to make good horsepower. So the engine at 3 liters is not that big, but with that supercharger it makes big horsepower, 310 horsepower, all the performance that most sane people would want on a vehicle like this. This A6 also comes with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with your purchase from us at Infinity of Tacoma, so be it a used or a new vehicle. They all come with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee, no catches, no restocking fees. It's 100% money back within 5 days of the purchase date, just as long as you don't put more than 200 miles on the vehicle, and it comes back in the same condition as when you bought it. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video, and hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.